Hi guys, it's Jerlene with Sephora Hollywood and Highland, and today I'm showing you guys how to do my nighttime routine for dry skin. If you want to see how I stay hydrated, keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first, I like to remove any jewelry that I'm wearing. Today I'm wearing my hoop earrings, so I go ahead and remove those. Next, I go ahead and remove the lashes. So you want to start from the inner corner, then work your way out to the outer corner, but gently do it so you don't pull out your real lashes. Next, I'll be taking my Tatcha Pure One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. I love using this product to remove my makeup because it really removes my makeup in such a gentle way. Since I have sensitive skin, the vitamins and omegas keeps my skin nourished without leaving any residue. So I like to add a little bit of water just to emulsify the product, get it nice and milky all over my skin. Today I'm going to be using a warm washcloth to remove the product. Next, I'm going in with my Sephora Collection cleansing and exfoliating wipes in the scent Coconut Water. I like to use those to remove any remaining makeup that the oil didn't remove. You want to gently wipe these across of your eyes, but do not rub the eyes. Now I'm going to take a damp cloth to wet my face before I apply my cleanser. So now I'm going in with my fresh soy face cleanser. I like to apply this all over my face. It not only cleanses my face, it also tones, which keeps my skin routine nice and simple. Also, the amino acid rich soy proteins also help with the natural elasticity, and the rose water in the cleanser just helps to balance and calm the skin. So now I'm going to take a dry washcloth just to pat off any excess water to prepare for the next step. Next, I go in with my Caudalie Instant Detox Mask. I like to apply this product with my Sephora Collection 47 brush because it's easy to spread the mask out evenly without applying too much product. Another thing I also enjoy about this mask, it acts as a vacuum for the skin by removing any unwanted toxins from the skin, leaving you with bright and clear skin. So once you've applied the mask all over your face, you're going to want to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you know when your mask is ready when the color turns to a really pale pink shade and also you can't move your face. So once my mask has completely dried, I like to take a damp, warm washcloth and just press it on my face, let it sit for a minute just to break down the product, and then you want to gently remove the product from the skin. Once again, you're going to take a dry washcloth and just pat dry any excess water. So next, I'll be using the Algenist Power Recharging Night Serum. I absolutely love this product because it makes my skin feel like a dream. Since I have dry skin, the hyaluronic acid and the coconut water leaves my skin feeling soft, supple, and it gives me such a radiant glow. And it also smells amazing. So when applying this product, I kind of like to rub it in an upward motion and also tap the product in. That helps the product penetrate in your skin deeper. Next step, I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. So I like to dot this product on and just blend it out with my fingers. Again, you want to use tapping motions and blend it upward. I really like this product mainly because of the licorice root, which helps with discoloration, and the vitamin C keeps my skin bright and glowing. So now I'm going in with the KORRES Black Pine 3D Sculpting, Firming, and Lifting Super Eye Serum. So this product is great for me because it targets my problem areas, which are dark circles and puffiness. It's also a 360 formula, meaning you can use it all over across the entire eye area. So you want to apply a little bit underneath your eyes. I'm using my ring finger just because it applies the least amount of pressure to your skin. Okay, so last but not least in my routine, I'll be taking the Pharmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm to protect my lips and keep them nice and hydrated as I go to sleep. Alright guys, so that was my nighttime skin routine. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below on some of your favorite products and products that you enjoyed seeing me use. Alright guys, going to bed now. Bye!